The drone industry is currently shaking to its core because the DJI Avata 360 has just been exposed in a way no one saw coming. If you have been hovering your mouse over the Buy Now button for a DJI Avata 2, you need to stop right now and listen to every word of this video. We are witnessing a massive shift in how we capture the world from the sky. Well-known DJI insiders have just shared updates that have grabbed everyone's attention immediately, confirming that the leaks we have been seeing are not just random rumors, but are entirely legitimate and confirmed. This isn't just a minor update or a small refresh of a previous model. This is a total reimagining of what an FPV drone can do. The official unveiling, if everything stays on track, could happen as early as March of this year. This does not sound like a distant prototype or a concept buried in development, but feels ready for launch right now. Reports suggest China will be the first market to receive it, which is the typical rollout strategy for DJI before a global release. One of the strongest signs that this drone is nearly here came from a low-resolution internal tutorial clip that was accidentally leaked. This clip reportedly shows how to insert and activate a redesigned battery, which represents a major hardware change that usually only happens when a product is in its final production phase. Internal activation guides usually only exist when review units are already in circulation with early testers and creators around the world. When that happens, it means things start moving very fast in the production and marketing cycle, and a launch is imminent. Let's talk about the hardware, because this is where things get truly insane. An image showing the Avata 360 interface inside the DJI Goggles 3 confirms it is positioned next to the Avata 2 in the menu. Side by side, the new drone appears slightly larger to accommodate the dual-lens system and the massive processing power required for 8K imaging. Earlier guesses that it might stay under 250 grams are now looking very unlikely due to the weight of these new high-end sensors. Design leaks suggest a refreshed body style, along with a new multi-battery charging hub for 3 batteries. The redesigned battery reportedly has a flatter and more compact shape compared to the older bulky models we are used to seeing. This isn't just for looks, it's about physics. Improved energy density and better thermal management are rumored to be built in to handle the 8K video processing heat. We all know that processing 8K footage generates an incredible amount of warmth, and DJI has clearly spent a lot of time ensuring this drone doesn't overheat mid-flight. Flight time is expected to land somewhere between 23 and 25 minutes for the standard flight mode. That would put it right in line with the Avata 2, which remains a solid benchmark for FPV drones. But the real star of the show is the 8K 360-degree video power. Multiple reports suggest the drone could record up to 8K resolution for ultimate post-production freedom. Imagine blending the immersive world of 360 action cameras with the high-speed freedom of FPV flight. There is even talk of a rotating or switchable camera system allowing pilots to shift views mid-flight, which would be a total game-changer for professional cinematographers. The technology behind the transmission is also getting a massive boost. Leaks point toward O4 class video transmission, suggesting compatibility with the newest DJI goggles. Some whispers even mention real-time reframing previews in the live feed, which would be a major leap forward for the industry. After months of silence, the drone community suddenly feels alive again as these pieces line up perfectly. While we wait for March, we have to address the elephant in the room: the DJI Avata 2 price crash. The quiet build-up phase for the 360 seems to be the reason why the DJI Avata 2 has just received a very significant price drop online. It is now at its lowest price since December, making it a tempting choice for those on a budget. The Fly More combo with 3 batteries is currently available for a massive discount, often around $859. This package is packed with value, including the drone, 3 batteries, and the 2-way charging hub. You also get the DJI Goggles 3 and the RC Motion 3 controller for a complete flying experience. Originally priced much higher, this combo is now discounted by nearly 30%. This is a massive saving for beginners who want to get into the air without waiting for the next big thing. However, you have to ask yourself if you are okay with buying old tech when the 360 is right around the corner. We also have to look at the competition, specifically the anti-gravity A1. When this challenger first appeared, many people paused because the claims were so bold. The company calls it the world's first drone capable of recording full 360-degree video in 8K resolution. It raises the question of whether this is just clever marketing or a true shift in the industry that has forced DJI to react. At its core, the A1 is built around a dual-lens 360-degree camera system that sees everything at once. Instead of pointing a single lens forward, this one captures the entire sky and ground simultaneously. You don't need to stress about framing before takeoff because the camera records every single angle. This fly now, frame later philosophy is exactly what the Avata 360 is aiming to perfect. The pressure is on DJI to prove they are still the kings of the sky. The Avata 360 isn't just a drone, it's a statement. It's DJI saying they can dominate the action camera market and the drone market at the exact same time. My best opinion on this product is that the DJI Avata 360 will be the single most important drone release of the decade. It bridges the gap between traditional videography and immersive FPV in a way that makes professional results accessible to everyone. If you're a content creator, this is the tool you have been dreaming of. The ability to fly through a tight gap and then, in editing, look back at your own trail or look sideways at a sunset without moving the drone is revolutionary. If you can afford to wait until March, I highly recommend keeping your money in your pocket for now. The Avata 2 is great, but the Avata 360 is the future. The high-density battery alone makes it worth the wait, as it solves the age-old problem of FPV drones running out of juice just when things get exciting. In conclusion, the leaks are too detailed to be fake. From the internal tutorial clips to the interface images in the goggles 3, everything points to a massive launch. DJI is ready to take over the sky once again. We will be keeping a very close eye on the China rollout to see the first real-world flight tests. If you liked the video and want to stay updated on the latest drone leaks and tech news, make sure to subscribe, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. This is an exciting time to be a pilot, and the Avata 360 is the reason why. See you in the next one.